Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to check if a Facebook page is running ads. You might be wondering why it is essential to know if a Facebook page is running ads. Well, let's say your business maintaining a presence on Facebook and you have competitors who offer similar product or service. So it is very important to understand your competitors' advertising strategy, the type of content and type of media they used, and what hashtag they use for their Facebook ads. You can also gain insight about the advertising budget by observing the ad library. Typically, Facebook ad posts are not visible on the Facebook page feed unless they manually published. This means you won't see your competitors' ad post content on their page feed. So this method can be a valuable tool for competitor analysis or business analysis. Now let's see how to do it. In this video, I'll be checking on how the Hootsuite page run ads on the Facebook and the Meta network. Once you land on the Hootsuite Facebook page, click on the About section and then click on the page transparency. Here you can see if the page is currently running ads. In this case, Hootsuite is running ads. Let's see what type of ads they're running. Click See All and then scroll down until you find Go to Ad Library. Click it and you will be directed to Hootsuite Facebook Ad Library page. Remember, you can also visit the general Facebook Ad Library page directly by searching Facebook Ad Library on Google search. Then search for the Hootsuite page in the Ad Library search field. You can choose either way to visit this ad library page and it's up to you. Alright, now you will see all the ads that Hootsuite is currently running on the Meta social network. You can see the ad start date, the platform where these ads are shown, the content types, the type of media, and the type of call to action buttons and the number of ad set they use. You can use the filter option to narrow down your search. On the other hand, you can use the ad library search function to find ads by using keywords. This is helpful when you want to find content ideas for your Facebook post or campaigns. Let me show you an example. I'll search for social media keyword and check the type of ad content currently running on Meta network relevant to this keyword. First, you can select the country and add types here, then enter the keyword. So you can use the filter option to make more specific your search. Okay, let's hit the search button. Now you can see the number of ads currently running targeting this keyword. You can refer some of these and get ideas for your own campaign. Alright, I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe to our channel. If you have any question, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.